Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hack Deals channel. Today I'm going to show you something really cool. How to run Kali Linux directly in your web browser. No need for virtual machines, no dual booting. Just open a browser tab and you're ready to go. This is perfect for quick pen testing, learning ethical hacking, or just experimenting with Kali Linux hassle-free. Let's dive in.
Open browser and search linuxzoo.net. Click account link and select register for an account. User registration, type email, password, name, program info, and accept privacy. Click register. Your account successfully registered. Click on Join K, select Kali Linux, take Fresh Linux install image and click Switch off. Wait for booting process show complete to select Connect. Click VNC. Click Other. Kali Linux username is root. Password type Kali. Good news for ethical hackers, security researchers, penetration testers, and all ethical hacking learners. You can now run Kali Linux, one of the popular and advanced Linux distributions specially designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking, directly on your web browser, regardless of any operating system you use. Meet Kali Browser, a new project developed by security analyst Mr. Jerry Gamblin for ethical hackers. You don't have to install Kali Linux on your system. All you need is a system with a web browser and Docker installed. Just download the Kali Browser Docker image and start playing with Kali Linux operating system inside your web browser.
And that's it. Now you know how to run Kali Linux directly in your browser. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'll use this for. Want a full Kali Linux install tutorial? Check out my other video linked here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.